Jack O'Connell, born 1990, British actor known for his Skins and Unbroken. Tempest Bledsoe, born 1973, actress who starred as Vanessa Huxtable on The Cosby Show. Jason Momoa, born 1979, action star famed for Aquaman and Game of Thrones. Sam Mendes, born 1965, Oscar-winning director and American Beauty and 1917. Dom DeLuise, 1933 to 2009, renowned American comedian and actor. Chuck D, born 1960, influential leader and rapper of the hip-hop group Public Enemy. Jerry Garcia, 1942 to 1995, legendary guitarist and frontman for the Grateful Dead. Adam Duritz, born 1964, lead singer and songwriter for Counting Crows. Coolio, 1963 to 2022, Grammy-winning rapper famous for Gangsta's Paradise. Kim Chae-woon, born 2000, K-pop star and leader of the girl group Les Seraphim. Katie Boulter, born 1996, top-ranked British professional tennis player. Bastian Schweinsteiger, born 1984, World Cup winning German soccer legend. Scotty Barnes, born 2001, NBA All-Star forward for the Toronto Raptors. Madison Bumgarner, born 1989, three-time World Series champion MLB pitcher. Yves Saint Laurent, 1936 to 2008, iconic French fashion designer. Herman Melville, 1819 to 1891, acclaimed American author of the classic novel Moby Dick. Maria Mitchell, 1818 to 1889, groundbreaking American astronomer. Claudius, 10 BC to 54 AD, Roman emperor who spearheaded the conquest of Britain. Thank you for watching this video.